W1 Pro Tutorial Series. Headless mode and one key return. When the aircraft is flying far away or the line of sight is blocked, it is possible to define the head orientation of the aircraft. You can manually press the right joystick on remote for 2 seconds and wait for the remote control to make a beep beep sound to enter the headless mode. Under the headless mode, the aircraft is oriented towards the direction of the remote control. You are free to control forward, backward, flying to left or right. Manually press the right joystick on remote for 2 seconds. Wait until the remote control emits a long beep sound to exit the headless mode. Under the GPS mode, when the aircraft is out of view, you can slide or long press the home button on the remote for returning. When the battery of aircraft is low or the signal is lost, the aircraft will return home automatically.